Alright you guys, hello. I'm back with another video. So this quick video is just about me, and I'm gonna do an opening box video. There's two puppies, a cage, a bed, a little brush, and then a water bowl. I also got a kitty one, blue bed. The puppy's one was yellow. A yellow water bottle. Here's this kitty. She also has a brush. She has this cage, but this one had that one. I'm going to switch the bowls around because this one was blue. And, well, she has a blue bed and everything. And this bed was yellow, so I'm going to give him the yellow bed. Alright, so I also got that little tiny kitty. So first, let's finishing opening up this. Let me just show you what I got so far. Alright, now let's finish opening this. Oh, cute little cage. Nice. My mom got these at Dollar Tree. She surprised us last night with all this good stuff. She surprised us with Halloween cookie cake. We didn't try it because we already had ice cream now. So here's what's inside the kitty set. There's a puppy set, exactly the same. I haven't opened that one yet. So this is all the kitty stuff. Of course, the two cats, the main part, the bed, the brush, the water bowl, and the cage. Alright, let's just switch these over to over here. And let's get right into this one. I'm going to be careful around the plastic. My mom said this cat was a putty cat because it looked like pudding, kind of. Maybe tomorrow I'll give you guys a little heads up. I might play with these animals for a little. We'll see. Because I also have school tomorrow. It's a fun day tomorrow because I get to go to school and we get to wear a costume. And you guys know I want to be a vet, so that's the costume I'm going to wear. So here's this little tiny doggy. That looks like a poodle. And then I have a yellow bed. Of course, I got the water bowl. Let's switch these water bowls around. Of course, the other little tiny puppy. Of course, the little tiny brush. And the cage. I'm going to switch these cages around because this one is all blue and the bottom is yellow. But the top is yellow. There, now we got our yellow collection and our blue kitty collection. Little heads up, we might find some more animals of these, and I'll give you guys a heads up if we do find any more. So, I think they're called, what are they called? Puppy Palace. I don't know. Huh? I'm making a quick video of me opening. Alright, so, yep, Puppy Palace. And, of course, Kitty Palace. Let me move the cats over here, too. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Let's just get all the animals right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of the cats, doggies, cages, animal, puppy playhouse, And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave that post notifications bell on. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Well, bye to my extra face. Bye.